Welcome to This Explainer. Let's dive right into how the everyday words we use actually shape our cities.
So here's a big question. Are slums just poor working-class neighborhoods? Or are they something else entirely?
There's actually a huge structural divide between a true working-class neighborhood and an informal slum.
Working-class spots might be low income, sure, but they have urban planning, solid infrastructure, and real state presence.
Slums, on the flip side, face crazy overcrowding, zero basic services, and sketchy parallel governance systems.
So get this, poverty alone doesn't make a slum. It's the total lack of formal structure. When the government vanishes, a massive shadow economy kicks in. We call it the antisocial gross domestic product.
This dangerous underground economy totally thrives on slumlordism, illegal occupation, extortion, and even brutal narco-governance.
Now, here's the kicker. The labels we use for these areas literally dictate real urban policy.
Calling slums popular neighborhoods is dangerous. It romanticizes exclusion and delays the hardcore structural changes we actually need.
We absolutely can't confuse extreme, unsafe informality with healthy, vibrant, and integrated city living.
Fixing this takes more than managing poverty. We need total formalization, strict territorial control, and real economic integration.
To see this play out, let's look at Barrio Muquiga, a massive urban transformation experiment in Latin America. They made amazing infrastructure upgrades recently, but sadly, huge problems like informal markets and narco-governance stubbornly remain.
This proves something wild. Pretty new buildings can easily hide entrenched, antisocial structures for decades.
So how do these places evolve over time? It happens along an integration-slumification continuum. The good path slowly upgrades an informal settlement into a totally formal, sustainable, new neighborhood.
The bad path traps people, dragging an informal settlement down into a slum and eventually an isolated ghetto.
Surprisingly, this model even labels super-rich gated communities as their own kind of disconnected wealth ghettos.
Transforming a slum isn't just some quick weekend construction project. It's a massive, multi-generational effort.
Real integration takes decades of non-stop work to build institutional trust, economic opportunity, and proper education. So remember, the words we choose absolutely matter. They literally draw the blueprints for our urban policies. So, will we just slap comfortable labels on these areas or do the hard work to transform them?